Welcome back to another quick guide. Today. We'll walk you through how to capture game audio on OBS. Here are the steps to make sure your game audio is captured cleanly in OBS Studio on Windows. First is to open OBS on your game, launch OBS Studio, then start the game you want to capture so devices and app names appear in Windows. Set the game's output device in Windows. On the bottom right click the speaker icon, click the sound settings, scroll down to advanced, then go to volume mixer. Make sure the game's output is set to the speakers or headphones you want OBS to capture with. Disable exclusive mode, recommended. And sound settings, scroll down then click more sound settings, playback tab, double click your output device, go to advanced tab, uncheck allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Apply it, then hit OK. This avoids conflicts. Configure OBS Global Audio. In OBS, go to Settings, Audio, set sample rate to 48 kHz, recommended. Channels to stereo, and set desktop audio to default or explicitly select your output device. Click Apply. Add an audio output capture source. In your scenes, Sources box, click the plus, choose audio output capture, create new, then name it Game Audio. Click OK. Select the correct device. In the audio output capture properties, pick the same device. The game is using speakers or headphones. Click OK. OBS will now receive system and game sounds. Verify mixer levels. Play the game and watch the audio mixer in OBS. The game audio or desktop audio meter should move. Adjust the sliders so it peaks. Set around -6 to -12 decibels for safe headroom. Set audio monitoring so you can hear it. On the settings, go to Audio, Advanced, Monitor Device, choose your headphones, click Apply, then hit OK. And the mixer, click the gear or Advanced Audio Properties. For the game audio, choose Monitor and Output. You'll hear it, and it will go to stream or record. Or if you only want to hear it locally, choose Monitor Only, mute output. Test with a short recording. Click the Start Recording, play a bit, then stop recording, and review the file to confirm game audio is captured. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.